Hello everyone! In this video we are going to talk about hair care.
Wow.
Why is hair care important? Hair care is crucial for maintaining both health and appearance. It keeps the scalp clean, preventing conditions like dandruff and infections, while also enhancing personal aesthetics by making hair look shiny and smooth. Proper hair care helps prevent damage from environmental factors and styling practices, promoting scalp health, essential for robust hair growth. So let's get started. For reference, this is how my hair used to look. My hair looks close to this now. Here's how you can achieve this. Tip number 1 for silky smooth hair. In order to get silky smooth hair, you must use hair masks. Hair mask recipe for smooth hair. Directions. This one works wonders, but if you have greasy hair, I recommend lowering down the oils in the recipe. Tip 2 for shinier and silkier hair. To achieve shiny hair, you can use the following hair mask. Please be aware that not all of this can work. Everyone has different hair, and it can depend. Because these worked for me doesn't mean it can work for everyone, but I still hope you give it a try and see if it works. This video was made because I hit 50 subscribers. All my love to y'all supporting my small channel. Please subscribe for more videos and comment your reviews. Thank you so much for watching.